Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? Absolutely, this is very good time, my brother, for buying, investing Stellar XLM. Absolutely, I have planned, my brothers, to invest more, and absolutely, I am buying, my friend, 1,000 more Stellar XLM coin now, and just in only, my friend, in a few days now. So therefore, absolutely, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think you will be gone very good, my friend, and I hope they will give you a profit. And this time, my friend, they were fails down, but don't see, my friend, this short fail, because I asked them, my friend, if you invest for a short time, so absolutely do this what I tell you. I sell it, my friend, just in only 10 hours, I think something ago, my friends, to I sell it. And if you have any plan to sell it more, so I think this is also very good time, because the price is decreasing now, especially in upcoming 1 week. I think they will fails down, because in the start of month every currency is very badly fails down. So I just recommend you, my brothers, to please, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good now. But my friend, the current condition is going to be very critical now, so please don't see this short fail. And my brother, I hope they will give you a profit. Buy it, I hope they will give you a profit now. Thanks for watching Stellar XLM holder. Please remember to, my brother, every section I will give you very good advices now, and absolutely also share opinion now. So my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. And I hope, my friends, tomorrow they will completely starting moving upward now, because this is one big reason, my friend, because especially the founder of Stellar XLM, my friend, they'll promote now. So I hope, my friend, the price will be increasing now, especially in the trending, my friend. The Stellar XLM is the trending on Twitter now, so therefore I like it, and I hope the price will be increasing. See you next time. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos.